In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find global admin in Azure Portal. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portalazure.com and then log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go over to the search bar, and then from here you'll need to click in Microsoft Intra ID. From here you'll see under services Microsoft Intra ID, and you'll just need to click on that. From here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and then go over to manage, and then from here you'll need to scroll down until you see roles and administrators. From here we'll need to filter out the global administrator, and to do that you'll simply need to go over here to add filter and then go over and search for the specific global administrator right here. From here you'll be able to see it right here, and then from here you'll simply need to select it. And then from here, you'll be able to see possibly yourself as a global administrator. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!